Welcome to math class. Numbers and symbols for maths. The short form of mathematics in British English is maths, and in American English it's math. Can you add, subtract, and do your multiplication tables in English? Before you can do the math, you need to understand the question. Learning English for math means learning numbers, words, and symbols. Addition +1 + 2 = 3, 1 + 2 = 3.5 + 3 = 8, 5 + 3 = 8.1 + 6 = 7, 1 and 6 is 7. Subtraction -7 to 6 = 1, 7 - 6 = 1.3 - 2 = 1, 3 - 2 = 1.18, 4 = 14, 18 subtract 4 is 14. Multiplication x5 x6 = 35 times 6 = 30.7 x3 is equal to 21, 7 times 3 = 21.2 x3 = 6, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 9 divided by 3 = 3, 9 divided by 3 = 3.6 divided by 3 = 2, 6 divided by 3 = 2.15 divided by 5 = 3, 5 goes into 15 3 times. Other math symbols. Less than. Greater than. 1/4 fractions. Percent. 1.666 decimals. 90 degrees. Thanks for watching.